Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to back up your files using Dropbox. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply install the Dropbox application in your desktop. In case you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. All this right here is the interface. At the top right, you can see your profile picture. That is in fact Dropbox settings. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, there are a few options like view sync issues and everything. Let's simply scroll right over to preferences. Once you click on the preferences tab, well, something like this will open up, and at the left section, you can see something like backup just below account. Simply click on it, and from here, well, lots and lots of options once again. As you can see, we want to back up our Windows. So right here next to Windows, you can see a button like this that says Manage Backups. Click on it right now. Now do note that you can back up your PC or an external drive. Well, it's up to you, but for now I'm gonna back up my PC, so I'm simply gonna click on Enable Backup. It will then ask me to select the file that I want to back up. Let's say I want to back up this folder right here, that is Pictures. Once you've clicked on it, well, simply hit on Save. Likewise, you can select other folders as well, but for now I'm simply gonna hit on Save. And once everything's okay, simply hit on Setup. And guys, that is it. Do note that I do not have a Dropbox Plus account, so I'm simply gonna continue with basic. Simply hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. That's how you back up files using Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.